This is Point Pleasant Resort, St Thomas, US Virgin Islands, condo F7 or Villa F7, which is kind of at the end of the property. It's sort of near the pools, but you do need to take the shuttle. It's quite the hike down the hill. You walk into the room, there's a bed here and a mirror. Lots of curtains because they're all windows on the outside, but they do have bars on them, so that's good. You come over here, there's the luggage holder with my stuff on it, and then there's this. You got the safe in here, a basket for your dirty towels, and a broom. You come into the room, you see the kitchen. It has a full fridge and stove. Here's the bathroom, tons of towels. It's got a shower. You do have to step up into the shower here, and then toilet, cabinet. Oh, they've got tons of cleaning supplies underneath and a hair dryer. Oh, they've got some bug spray, cutter. And it did come with some soap. It seems pretty, well kept. There are a couple things that I did notice, but, just a little wear and tear. Then the fridge here, which I've already put some stuff in it. But you can actually opt to have your fridge stocked by a concierge. And it looks like they've got some cooking utensils, lots of cabinets. They've got some stuff there. Comes with a blender, a toaster, electric stove, and an oven, which is good because I did buy pizza. I haven't seen the cutlery yet. It's got a wine opener, first aid kit, and tons of supplies under the sink. Extra paper towels, coffee maker, microwave. They've even got some books here. Couch. This might be a pull-out, actually. Some tables, see stuff. Nice flat screen TV, Wi-Fi, and a password for that. It's got a 4 tabletop here. You can have breakfast, or you can be outside on the balcony, which is dark right now, so we'll have to see that tomorrow. All right. Again, this is F7 at Point Pleasant Resort, St. Thomas, US Virgin Islands. Thanks for watching.